everyone. I've been getting a lot of mails from you asking me to make a video on whether you can make a career in sports or not. So today I've decided I'll make a video which is a special video on my first celebrity horoscope, which is Shiraj Shahid's horoscope. Now, a lot of you would not be knowing her. She was the youngest women's India's golf champion back in 1984. Now, how do you see whether you'll make a good career in sports or not? Whether you'll make a good career in the domestic market or the international market? Today, I'm going to be presenting before you this Kundli analysis, which has been given by K.N. Rao Saab in one of his great books, and the analysis is so supreme that I would like you to go out there, buy the book and understand it. But number one, I need you to understand is that the third house and the sixth house are all which is needed to make a person very competitive, because the third house is your courage, sixth house is competition and daily routine. So your third house and your sixth house is quite strong. You have brilliant Rajyogs in your Kundli, your Dasha is favorable, and you know that you are in the right marketplace, the domestic or the international, then you are going to rock the sports world in your career. Here we go with the analysis.
So first of all, let's see where her Lagna Lord is going. The Lagna Lord is in the third house with Sun. Third house, as you know, is Valor. It's representing sports. It's representing courage. Sun, which is a mild malefic, becomes the Lord of the third house and is seated with Mercury. Therefore, it is going to transmit its property of fire into Mercury. This person has to become very competitive because her Lagna Lord is in the third house, and third house is all about courage. Next, let's find out how many Rajyogs are there in the Kundli. Now you see, number one, there is a Gaj Kesari Yoga in the Kendra between Moon and Jupiter. Moon is in the fourth house, Jupiter is in the seventh house, and as you know, Kendra Gaj Kesari Yoga is more powerful than any other Gaj Kesari Yoga. Moreover, the Jupiter happens to be the 10th Lord, adding fuel to this Gaj Kesari Yoga. Then you see the Nauman's chart. There is again this Gaj Kesari Yoga between Moon and Jupiter. Moon is 4th from Jupiter, whereas Jupiter is 10th from Moon, and it is happening in the second house of gains, wealth, and 11th house of income. Now, point number 2 is there is a combination between Trikona house and a Kendra house by way of lords. See the 7th house. Jupiter, the 7th lord, is conjunct with Saturn, the 9th lord, in the 7th house of Pad Prapti, or you can say promotion. 7th house, which is all about public life, which is about relations, is also 10th from 10th, meaning it has to do something with the career. Next, see another major Raj Yoga. Yoga Karak Venus for Gemini Lagan is seated with the Lagna Lord Mercury in the third house of Valor. Any connection between the Trikona Lord and the Kendra Lord adds to a very good Raj Yoga. So she has many Raj Yogas in the Kundli, and all of them are powerful. Look at her Mars. The Mars is the planet of competition, aggression, energy. It is influencing the yoga in the third house of Mercury and Venus. Therefore, the yoga has to be exploited in a competitive fashion. Check the Dashamsha chart. Venus is in the own house. 10th house of Jupiter, own house. 7th house, Mercury exalted with Ketu, another Raj Yoga. Then Mars, the planet of competition, is in the 6th house. So her Kundli is all about good Raj Yogas, and there is huge potential in the Kundli. Now, as we have discussed how many Raj Yogas are there which are quite powerful in the Kundli, let us discuss what combinations led her into the career of sports. Number one, her third house is strong as discussed earlier because Lagna Lord is in the third. She is interested in sports. Sun, which is a mild malefic, and Rahu, which is a malefic, is conjunct with Mercury and Venus combination in the third house and is getting the aspect of Mars. Therefore, third house is quite charged up, and Jupiter, the 7th lord of Pad Prapti and the 10th lord of career, is giving a benefic influence to this combination. Then check the 6th house. 6th house is the house of competition. Mars, which is the lord of the 6th house, is aspecting the 6th house, making 6th house very strong. Whenever you see people having good career in sports, you will find that their third house and the 6th house are quite strong. And as all of you know, or some of you would know, third house is daily efforts and 6th house is daily routine competition. Malefics do excellent over there. Now check the Moon Lagna. From the third house from the Moon Lagna is ruled by Mars, and Mars is influencing it, aspecting the third house from Moon, making it strong. Moreover, 6th house from the Moon chart has Ketu, another malefic, adding up to the comparative spirit she has. Now, see the fact that Venus happens to be at 27 degrees, which is the highest degree in her all planets. The planet with the highest degree becomes the Atmakarak. And this Atmakarak Venus is placed in the 7th house in Navman's chart. Therefore, the Rashi that falls in the 7th house, which is Sagittarius, becomes Karakamsha Lagna. So when you make Karakamsha Lagna, you see that the 3rd house from the Karakamsha Lagna has Ketu and the 6th house has Mars. Again, malefics are there in the 3rd house and 6th house. Now, note the fact that her image has to be represented by the Arudha Lagna. Now, if you open up this Arudha Lagna and you see the main Arudha Lagna chart, you see that the 3rd lord Jupiter from this Arudha Lagna is seated in the 3rd house, making the 3rd house strong. Saturn, which is a malefic, is again seated in the 3rd house from the Arudha Lagna. Therefore, 3rd house has again malefic influence. Moreover, the 6th house from Arudha Lagna is ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter, being in its own sign, is becoming very powerful. So you see, from all the angles, this horoscope is ultimately about competition, fighting spirit, and she's going to rock the world, which she did back in 1984 when she became the youngest ever women golf champion of India. That is how you see the competitive spirit in a person, by checking various charts and seeing whether 3rd house and the 6th house are strong in each charts or not. Moreover, malefics in the 3rd house and the 6th house do brilliant. In the next video, we will be seeing how she made income from abroad.